The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your App Store. Then you are going to search Campus Parent, click search, and then it will pop up and you have to download it. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it up. This page is going to pop up and it'll ask for the district name. You are going to search Paris, and then for the state, you are going to put California. Once you click search, then Paris Union High will pop up. Go ahead and click on that, and then the sign-in window will open up. You are then going to type in your username and your password, and you're going to click log in. So once you open up the app, it'll tell you if you would like to receive notification, which include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click allow so that I get them. Right here, we can see the message center, the announcements, there are no announcements, and the inbox. So the inbox is all the messages that we have received from the teachers. Now, if we go to the top left-hand corner where the three lines are at, you will see the message center, today, calendar, assignments, grade, attendance, and so forth. So those are various options that we have. I'm going to go ahead and click on today, and you will see the student's profile information, assignments that are due today, assignments that are due tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and click on the assignment due today, which is a pinch pot number 1. It tells me the assigned date, when it's due, and the total points. So now I'm going to go back, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and click on grades. So here we can see the student's term GPA, the cumulative GPA, each class, and the semester grade for the class, and the grade that they got on their 6-week progress report. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on attendance. Here we have each period written down and the absences. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one just so we can take a look at it. For this particular class, the student has 6 absences, so it'll tell us the date and it'll say the reason, which in this case it's unexcused. So that means that the student was not participating in the virtual distance learning. Now I am going to go ahead and go to the schedule. As a parent, you can also look at the schedule and the teachers' names. And here on assignments, it's just a breakdown of all the assignments that the student has for each class and the dates that they were due. This one, it just happens to be, she got assigned October 20 and the total points. It'll tell you how many points the student got for each assignment. So yes, you can play around with this and just go ahead and take a look at the sidebar. And that's it.